everyone, it's me, Terri of the Yarn Joy podcast. Welcome back to another product review. So this is another collaboration with newcraftday. They had asked me to pick out some items. They had one particular item that was a new item that they wanted me to specifically check out, and I said yes, I would love to check that one out and try out that product. And then I picked some additional ones as well. So this is the second video. This is the part 2. I showed 3 items in the previous video, and so I'm coming on here today to show you the remaining 2 items that I have had selected. Okay, so the first one is this one. Okay, so if you've been following along and watching my other videos, you know that I've been kind of working. I like to have, well, in my Wednesday videos, I have my crafting with friend videos where I'm sitting at my desk in the other room, and in the background I have a desk that I have. On top of that desk, I've been trying to put some seasonal type decors because you can see it in the back of my video. And so I've been collecting different kits that are either holiday designed or, you know, seasonal or holiday. And I really like these stand up, the ones that have the stand, they stand up, the diamond painting pictures. I had one previously that was an Easter related one, so I had that one up, and then I took that one down, and now I have a spring well, this one, the one I have right now, it's hanging, and it's a spring wreath that was a diamond painting project. And so I've been wanting to collect different ones for different holidays. And so I found this project, and this is a new one. I had never seen it, and I thought it was so cute, and it would be so cute to have it up there for Valentine's next year during February. And so let me show you what it is. It came really nicely packaged in this box. I really like these. I think they're called desktop decor or something, but I really like them because you don't have to worry about looking for a frame that would fit it. That's awesome. And you don't have to worry about putting a nail in the wall or whatever to hang. Now, I love the wreaths that have the hanging chain. I love those. You can use a little hook or nail or whatever. But these that stand up on their own on the desktop are even better, because you don't even have to worry about putting something in the wall to hang it, in other words. So anyway, okay, so this is the one I picked out. I thought it was so cute, I couldn't resist it. Oh, isn't it cute? That little teddy bear, when I saw it, and it's got the Valentine's hearts, and it says I love you. It's just so cute. I love the roses. This one is single-sided. Okay, that you don't have to do it twice. It's just single-sided. So cute. And of course, it comes with the stand, for when you're finished. It will stand up. Oh, won't that look cute in the background behind my videos during February for Valentine's? I'll go ahead and pop in a picture right here. You can see what it's going to look like with the drills on it. Okay, so there it is right there. Finished object. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Love it. So that is the first item that I picked out. It comes with the basic tool kit, okay? Drill pen, the little tray or boat that I call it, that you put the drills in, and of course a little wax square that helps you pick up the drills, gems, or the little beads. And then so here are the drills. They call them drills. Here they are. I didn't take them out of the plastics. Forgot to do that. Let me do it right quick. Okay. Oh, these are nice. So they're different shaped ones. So they're called, I think they call them special drills. But they do have some of the small round ones. Really shiny, sparkly, pretty colors. Okay. And then you get down here at the end, and then they have here's some bigger ones that are round. You have some really pretty, what do you call that? It's like an oil slick, it's got like different colors shining in it. I don't know if you can tell it on the camera, but they're like teardrop shape. And then there's some really pretty pink teardrop shapes. And then these right here, well, they're all turned around backwards, but they're heart drills. Those are like crystal colored. And then the silver. And then these are some more of the heart beads, gems, or whatever, that are pink. so cute. I just couldn't resist that when I saw it. Oh, okay. So there you go. So now I've got one. I got one for Easter I had already, and now I've got one for Valentine's Day. So yay. So I will keep be on the lookout to get some more of these. So I'll have them, you know, for each holiday. That would be fun. Okay. And so that is the first item I was wanting to show you. Let me go ahead and get the next item out, and we'll have a chat about that one. This is the item that New Craft Day specifically wanted me to check out because it's a new product that they have. It is a diamond painting project, but I have never seen them before, and not to this detailed. And so they specifically wanted me to try this one product out, and then also, of course, the ones that I picked out. But I said, oh yes, I would love to do it. It's beautiful. I think it's going to be fun. And so yes, I said yes. So this is a wind chime, okay? I will put a picture right here so you can see what it's going to look like when it's put together, okay? So there it is. And it's got a butterfly on the top, and then it's got all these things hanging down, and I think it's so pretty. And so let's go ahead and check this kit out. Now, this is the first time I got it out of the box, and so I was surprised at all the pieces that it came with. It actually has 2 of the big butterfly pieces, and I was thinking, well, what are they? You put them back to back or something? But you do actually have to do both sides, so it's a bigger project. You have to do both sides of the drills, okay? It looks like they're printed. Yeah, they're printed on both sides. And so I noticed that there's a slit down here in the middle, and right there. And so I think they're going to go together. Now, I don't want to mess up with the plastic, so I'm not going to push them down all the way. But I think they're going to fit down like this, okay? You know, all the way sliding down. And so, yeah, this is going to be so fun to put together, and yeah, it's just going to be really pretty. Yeah, and here's the holes where the chain is going to be hanging, coming from here, okay? Of course, this is going to go down further. Anyway, so you got these 2 pieces that's going to be at the top, and then you got these little dangly bits, okay? You have 6 of these round circles. They all are double-sided. They have double-sided, and they have butterflies on all of them. So there's 6 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3 right there, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so there's 6 of these, all double-sided. They all have the holes here where I guess the strings or whatever it is going to go through, okay? And then there's 6 butterflies. And these butterflies look like they have flowers also on them. So there's this one, there's number 1. Number 2, they're different types of butterflies, looks like. Number 3 is this one right here. That one's pretty. Number 4 is this one. Okay. Number 5 is this pretty blue one. And number 6 is this one right here. Okay, so they have all these things dangling. It's going to be dangling from it. Okay, of course, you get the basic drill kit pen, the drill pen, the little tray, and some wax. And they even included, in this set, they even included some little Ziploc bags to put some of the drills in, you know, because these bags are not resealable. When you open them, you need to either use them all, or I will either put them in some little bead jars that I have to keep them separate, because I'll be using the colors again, or in little Ziploc bags. Okay, anyway, and then it has this little set here. Let me open this. This has got the cords, the hanging hardware, looks like the hanging chain. They even have ooh, pretty. They have 4 of these little very sparkly little rods. There's 4 of these. There's 2 blue ones and 2 pink ones, okay? And then here is all the cording and everything. This is going to be interesting, putting these together. Here's the I guess to hang it by, okay? And then let's see, we got hanging chains here. There's more of the rods. There is some of this is, I guess, for the individual, because they have little lobster claws here to clip them on, individual little things, loops. Okay, little connectors, all kinds of stuff. Okay, little things. Okay, now this one does have a instruction sheet that it comes with it to help tell you how to put it together, besides, you know, looking at the pictures and stuff that's on the product on the website. But yeah, this has got a two-sided page of instructions. Okay, so that's going to be really helpful. Okay, and then of course the drills. Now I didn't take them out of the plastic. They look like all the other ones. They're when you take them out of the bag, they're a long strip of individually packaged drills or beads. Okay, but yeah, this one's got quite a few. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be this is going to take me longer to put together. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to be making an additional video, a follow-up video showing this. I think I'll probably do it in parts, where I'll show like progress shots of me putting, you know, getting these completed. Okay, and then also I will talk about how the process was putting it together, and if it was difficult or if it was hard. You know, I haven't even looked at the instruction page yet or anything. Of course, the first thing to do is just to do all the diamond painting stuff. And so I will let you know if I have to ask my hubby for help, or if I can put it together myself. And then I will also, in that video, I will then have a finished object, you know, where I can show it to you all put together. And yeah, I think that's going to be a fun follow-up video. So stay tuned for that one. Okay, so as far as the other items, or these two items, I will have links down below in the description box of the items, where you can, you know, go to the website and look at them. You also have the actual website link down below. I have a 10% off discount. It is Yarn Joy 10. You get 10% off your order, and I will have that link down below. Not linked, but I'll have it typed in down below. Okay, so you can see that. And yeah, thank you so much, New Craft Day, for allowing me to check out more of your products, and and asking me to do a collaboration again. It's so fun doing these. I love doing them. Okay, I'm gonna go. Everybody have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for that follow-up video whenever I get this finished, and I will show you the process of it and talk more about it and show the finished object. Okay, until then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.